Before we get started, I gotta point out the elephant in the room, which is my face is naked, and I'm sorry. I made a mistake while shaving. It'll be back in a week. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Peter. I'm the emotional sport clown, and today we're talking about balloon animals, particularly balloon bags. I'm going to be unboxing, or dare I say unbagging, a balloon bag from Bagalloon.com. We're going to be looking at the Aloha Mini series. But before I do that, I just want to say, I am not a professional balloon artist or balloon twister. I don't know what the proper nomenclature is. And I have always turned down higher paying balloon gigs because I just didn't feel like I had that professional level. I didn't have the big pump and the massive balloon bag. And I mean, this year in the Chinese Balloon New Year, it is the year of the balloon dog. I'm planning on upping my balloon game, and that is why I have bought what I have in this package behind me. Now, originally I wasn't planning on making a video about this at all. I was just like, oh, it's just gonna be a bag. I'm not that excited about it. But Bagalloon, by golly, I took one peek inside and I saw a bunch of little trinkets, and we're just gonna experience this together, okay? So this is the inside this bag, which has my address and stuff on it. So I'm trying not to show it to everybody. Is the Bagalloon. I'm gonna just unbox it or unbag it. Unbag it. Okay, so here we go. You ready? Guess what color I got? You got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I got pink with swirls, baby. Oh yeah. Now this right here is the Aloha Mini. This is the smallest of the Aloha series. If you can tell, there's a bunch of cool stuff here. So let's just start with the paperwork, shall we? If I fold this down, you can see we have a nice thank you from Bagalloon.com. And for the rest of the bag, it is just chock full of little interesting trinkets. And, well, I guess it's just this side. And maybe the inside. I don't know yet. I saw this and I was like, okay, we gotta take a look at this. So let's take a look. Well, what's this? What is this right here? Let's just open it up. All right, so these are, I don't know if you can see this. These are little bullet holes that you can, I guess, put on the side of your car. I'm gonna put them on my bike because why not? What an interesting little thing to put into a balloon bag. 5th place, which I would not even place 5th if I was in a balloon twisting competition. But thank you for thinking so highly of me. I really like that. We have some clown. Actually, I don't even know what this is. We got some more stickers. We got some more. Oh, this is clown shoes. It says, "My balloons are not plastic. They are made from natural latex." And although it might, well, it is biodegradable, but it takes still like 6 months to 4 years for natural latex to biodegrade. But it's good to know it's not plastic, which is awesome. Good stuff. This is something I've never seen before. Company trade name Sculpted Air. Show you all this. This is a trading card with different, I think, either balloon artists or clowns. I am not a clown expert yet, but this is Aaron Doc Hay. Let's read the bio. So for over 26 years, Doc has been sharing his art from all over the world, beginning as a hobbyist in 1993. He studied numerous clown antics and quickly found balloons to be his favorite artistic outlet. In 2000, Doc attended T-Jam, where he met master balloon artists and developed a lifetime friendships. Wow. The favorites of his large bills are the 64-foot giraffe and 75 by 30-foot whitewater river with cascading waterfalls and a river raft with 4 life-size people. Skills: balloon art and large sculptures. Doc took a 3-year cross-country walking adventure. These are fun facts. Very cool. Moving on, we got buttons. Oh wait, hold on. Garbage Pail Kids. Oh, this is maybe a coffee stain on this. That's okay. We spill coffee on things every now and then. I still enjoy it. So this is Peg Leg Peter from the Garbage Pail Kids. Take a look at that. It also has on the back the Slowpoke Award, awarded to for being the slowest person on Earth. You eat slow. It takes you all day to finish breakfast. You breathe slow. It takes you 45 minutes to exhale. You read slow. 6 months from now, when you've finished reading this, boy, you will be mad. I could make separate videos on everything in this bag, I feel like. All right, so now we have, oh, wow. So we have some balloons. They say just one more on it. Just one more. Just one more. Oh, just one more. And then we have some, looks like to be maybe silicone balloon animals. Oh, this one's plastic. This one's kind of like a jelly. Can we just focus on that? Thank you, thank you. And we also have the balloon dog. Focus on that. Perfect. Got a spider up in here. Buttons. This is a Bagalloon button. Balloons are not plastic, it says. Very cool. Tips are appreciated. I feel like every balloon artist needs this. Every artist in general should have a button that says this. Perfect. And then COVID-19 boosted and vaccinated. Well, thank you for assuming I'm not an anti-vaxxer, Bagalloon. I am not. I am vaxxed and boosted, so sweet. This is a embroidered balloon patch. Take a look. It is a balloon dog. Just gonna focus. Perfect. Oh, this is great. Don't let go of your balloons, everybody. Another balloon dog. This one's a little bit stretched. Oh, yes! Oh, Bagalloon, you are a fan of the Angry Beavers. All right, this is Dag and I think Dale, maybe? Was that the other one's name? I don't remember. I love this show. In fact, there is a line in it where Dag has an epiphany and he says, urethra. It went over my head as a kid, and then I watched it again as an adult, and I was like, that is gold. I love it. So onto the bag, we have some zippers on the sides. We have 2 pockets on the sides, besides all of these pockets that we have for our balloons. We also have some straps on the back. We have a handle. We have 2 of these metal, okay, so this is for like a strap. And I'm assuming if we open it up, oh, there's more inside. But okay, let's get the strap out. Yeah. Beautiful, this is a great strap. So these would lock in over here, like so. And now we can shoulder our balloon bag. Carry it around. Nice. So my plan for this is I'm actually probably not gonna use the shoulder straps because this is going on my bike. On the inside, you have one big pocket where your bulk of your balloons are gonna go. And there are different ways to outfit your balloon bag, all of which I am not familiar with. I gotta figure this out and get back to you on how to pack this thing. This video is about the unboxing. So we have some eyeball boppers. Just put these on. Now I feel, wow. This, what do y'all think? This is, I'm a grown man. Hey, I'm a grown man wearing these. Okay, let's take them off. I love it, and I'm totally giving these to a kid. Next, we have some ribbon. I think this would be great for like tying up some like balloon bunches. I'm gonna keep that in there. We have a champs ring. Look at that. Yeah, go sports. A baseball that bounces. Nice. What else do we have? A duck ring. A duck ring. More ribbon. And then I think that's it. The rest are just the pockets. So here's, okay, let me take these out for a second. So here is the inside of the bag. We have the side pockets. We have more side pockets, more side pockets. The only part that doesn't have the side pockets is this one right here. So I did buy a bunch of balloons, and they're kind of on my floor right now. I'm not the most organized person, which makes ballooning kind of difficult. So once again, this was the Aloha Mini balloon bag from Bagalloon.com. Bagalloon, thank you so much for making this bag for me. I mean, I paid for it, but I was just like, I don't know. I was just overwhelmed when I saw all the little things in it. That like really made my day. So thank you so much. And if you need a balloon bag, check out Bagalloon.com. I'm not sponsored by Bagalloon. I'm just a clown, man. And I really appreciate it when people pack so much love into a product. And thank you. So, okay, if you want to watch part 2 where I struggle to load this thing up with balloons, go for it. But for now, I'm signing off and see you in the next video. Peace.